Welcome. In this video, we will discuss how to generate vegetation indices in Pix40 fields. A vegetation index is a mathematical formula that processes the reflectance values of two or more bands along the electromagnetic spectrum. The choice of vegetation index depends on the type of crop, the growth stage, and the final use of the index. In this case, we will generate a normalized difference vegetation index, NDVI for short, for variable rate applications. To begin, click Index. Select the trimmed orthomosaic. It is essential to use a trimmed orthomosaic when working with multispectral imagery to ensure that we are comparing the spectral signatures of the same field and not including unwanted information. The list of indices is based on the multispectral bands available in the project. If you do not see the desired index, you can manually enter the formula as a custom index. Select the desired index or indices and click Generate. Once the index is generated, we can modify the visualization options to better see variations in the field. The generated indices are displayed in the left sidebar. Indices can be used for various purposes. Each one has its strengths and weaknesses, and applying the correct index at the correct time is important. In this case, the index will be used to generate a variable rate application mission for a tractor or spray drone, promoting crop health and reducing operating costs. We hope this tutorial video on generating a vegetation index was helpful. See you in the next one.